Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, I've got a couple of cruise news stories for you today. It's going to be a little short and a little sweet today. Kind of got a big thunderstorm outside. Power's been flicking on and off all day long. So like I said, we're going to keep this a little short to make sure I can get a video out for you guys. First up, we have Virgin Voyages. Well, they have officially released the name for their fourth upcoming cruise ship, and it is going to be the Brilliant Lady. And this name is meant to highlight the powerful intelligence of women around the globe. And this will be Virgin Voyages' fourth cruise ship, joining the Scarlet Lady, the Valiant Lady, and the Resilient Lady, which should be sailing this coming August. And second, we have another masking protocol change for Royal Caribbean, and masks are no longer going to be required in Adventure Ocean. So Adventure Ocean is the kids club on board Royal Caribbean ships. It's where you can take and drop off your kids for supervised children activities, and the health and safety protocols there have changed. We'll go ahead and put them up here on the screen for you. Mask wearing is optional for children participating in Adventure Ocean. However, masks are recommended for unvaccinated children 2 and up. So we've seen this happening here in the last week. We've seen masks become optional in cruise terminals. They've been optional on the cruise ships themselves for a little while. Now we have Royal Caribbean making them optional for their kids clubs on board the ship. However, remember, masks may still be required in some of the ports that you visit. So even though we're not wearing them in the cruise terminal, we're not wearing them on board the ship, doesn't mean don't take any with you, because you may still need them at some of the ports the cruise ships visit. Local requirements can always be different than what is required on board the ship and here in the United States. So that is just something to keep in mind. Still take them with you, but at least for now, not in the cruise terminal, not on the ship, not in the kids clubs, at least on Royal Caribbean. But also remember, if you want to wear the mask, wear it in the terminal, wear it on the ship. You wear it where you feel comfortable wearing it, where you want to wear it, and where you feel you need to wear it. Because like I always say, you do you, you take care of you, and you do what is best for your health. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.